this is Will, and I have Brent here. He's been helping me out the past two parts. He is a little camera shy, so he don't like talking to nobody, so he's gonna stare awkwardly while I point the camera at him. But we're here bright and early, ready to get started, so here we go. Well, that old ass rust can't be good for you to be breathing. Easier to grind them down instead of drilling them out. So actually did it a lot quicker this time than the other side over there. So we skipped the drilling part and just grind it down a lot quicker. And Brent don't want to wear his dust mask. He said his lungs look worse than the floor pans here, so he just threw it to the side. Oh well. He said if I ain't got him by now, he's good. All right, Brent.
Yeah.
Crazy. Looking good, about to start welding. Didn't have to cut a 1/4 inch lip on this one, so there we go.
On this wire, you can go this way. You can go just hold it and go this way. You can go this way. You can go this way. You can go this like this. It doesn't matter. You start off, just go this way like this, and then start going like this. You can go like this.
So you just start off going with a straight line, and then whatever motion you feel like doing, really.
Yeah. I get halfway through it and get bored and start doing something else.
You just got a steady move, huh?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, however you got that machine set, you just each person's different, you know. And then it just depends on the material too. If it starts getting hot, you gotta move, you know. If you go through from something that's thick over to something that's thin, you gotta stop and adjust or speed up a little bit, however it all varies.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is why I haven't been doing the welding. Poor Brent's gonna have to come back and clean this up. But my first time ever having a teacher here telling me what I'm doing wrong. And I haven't really done any kind of welding. I bought a welder to learn, and there you go. That's why I don't weld, but I'm learning. So he's fixing to come tell me what the heck I screwed up. There's a bunch of popcorning going on there. Looks pretty bad. Some what?
I'm gonna take some night classes.
Oh, some eyeglasses?
Some night classes.
Night classes too? Yeah. Damn. So he's already scoring on me. Yeah, it looks pretty bad. Some of you can skip this step if you want, but I found some of this in my garage that one of my friends left here, and I'm gonna use some of this on the weld so there won't be any water coming through at all. So we'll see how it works. So pan's all welded up. I drilled the holes for the seat. Ready to go. I'm gonna put this all around the edge so it won't leak. So the Flex Seal dried up. It actually feels real good, real tight actually. So dry, hard, shouldn't be any water coming through. Another thing is you might want to do this pretty quickly. The bare metal does start to rust up, so I'm gonna have to grind all that off before I paint it. So don't let it sit too much like I did. So I bought this 2 cans. Might need 3. Undercoating. We're gonna see how it works. So it says for best results, apply 2 coats and let it dry about 1 or 2 minutes in between. So that's what I actually let it dry about 10 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray another coat. I really like this. It sprays on pretty easily and it leaves a very nice texture, covers everything up. Pretty much everything I was looking for. So there it is. You can see the texture, which is pretty cool. Looks good. Here's the other side. So let me know what y'all think. Way better than what it was. So just want to thank everybody for subscribing to my channel. We got over 1,400 subscribers now, which I really appreciate. I hope y'all learned something off this one. Maybe in the, next time if I do have to replace the pans, I might do the whole floor pan. It'll look cleaner, I'm sure, but I'm pretty happy with how the project came out compared to what it used to look like. Like I've mentioned in my other videos, I don't want to spend too much on anything else besides just getting it to drive well, dependable, and safe, because I do want to drive this car a lot, but I don't want or can spend too much on cosmetic. The car already looks good in my opinion, so a lot of the money is going to go into the powertrain and suspension, just making sure that I can drive it whenever I really feel like. So, but I appreciate y'all watching, and let me know in the comments below if y'all have any questions. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, hit the like button, and God bless every single one of you. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye-bye. Hey, smile. Hey, 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 smile. Beautiful smile, beautiful. Hey, hey, what's up? Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Hey. Say hi. Say hi.